Boy, let me tell you, it was a hard week for movie fans. I mean, I don't know about you guys, but here in my area, the biggest movies that came out were Gods Not Dead 2 and Meet the Blacks. I wasn't really excited about seeing either, but it's all I had to choose from. So what the heck? Here goes nothing. Alright, Meet the Blacks. Meet the Blacks is a movie starring Mike Epps, Lil Duval, and a whole bunch of other fairly famous comedians, but primarily Mike Epps. And it tells the story about him and his family and their transition from Chicago to Hollywood. To give you the quick backstory, Mike Epps owns a wiring company, and he's off doing a wiring job one day when the cops come in and bust a guy whose house he's wiring. Well, Mike Epps takes all the money, all the drugs, and he used the money to move his family from Chicago to Beverly Hills to a very nice neighborhood. Now, of course, you can tell from this backstory that once the drug dealer gets out of jail, he comes looking for Mike Epps and his family, and troubles ensue. And there's the basic plot of your movie. Now, on the other side, there's another thing going on. This movie has a purge aspect. And I don't really want to say an aspect. They actually have the purge. It's like the purge going on with a comedy spoof at the same time, if you catch my drift. So not only is the bad guy coming to claim his money and drugs from Mike Epps and his family, you also have the purge going on. And with Mike Epps and his family being the new black family in this very upscale white neighborhood, all the white people want to get rid of them. This is supposed to be a comedy movie, and I personally didn't find the comedy in it that good. I mean, they had a few moments that made me laugh and chuckle, but it wasn't the best. The movie went really strong for the stereotypical jokes of basically every race and nationality, and I feel like they went so hard at it that they lost me in the humor. It did have its moments though. Mike Epps had a couple of good jokes, and I really enjoyed Michael Blackman. His character always makes me laugh. I just love seeing him play the stereotypical African man, and he was good. Lil Duval's performance in here was okay, but I mean, the guy doesn't really have an acting background, so you can't expect much from him. And another issue that I have with the movie is Mike Epps being the lead role. I'm used to seeing Mike Epps play the side role or supporting cast like he did in Next Friday with Ice Cube or in All About the Benjamins with Ice Cube. I just don't feel like his acting skills are strong enough to carry a movie by himself, and it showed in this one. I mean, the movie just wasn't that good. I don't know what to say. I'm going to keep this one short and just basically say I didn't enjoy the movie. I mean, I went with two other people. One of them really liked it, one of them didn't. Rotten Tomatoes hated it, other critics really didn't like it. So, I guess the numbers speak for themselves. The acting in the movie was subpar. The storyline was the Purge ripoff mixed with a comedy spoof, and it was just a little all over the place. The jokes were too over the top, and sometimes they lost me. They did have their moments, but not enough for it to be considered a comedy movie. So, all in all, with all that being said, I gotta rate this movie a shit-tastrophe. Sorry. So that does it for this one. As always, whether you liked it or whether you hated it, comment below, let me know. But if you liked it and you thought this video rocked, like, comment, and subscribe to see more from me, Mike Proc. Later.